Choosing a Medicare plan is one of the most important decisions a person can make, not only for their health and well-being, but also for their wallet. Joining us now to discuss this and share tips on how to make the best choices when it comes to Medicare coverage is Chief Medical Officer at UnitedHealthCare Medicare and Retirement, Dr. Philip Painter. Thanks for joining us.
Sure. Well, we're kind of heading down the home stretch of that annual enrollment period, and it started back on October 15th, and it ends December 7th. So that ending time is coming up pretty soon. And why it's important, it's the one chance that people get to make changes to their Medicare coverage. And as you said, that can be a big impact to their health and well-being as well as their finances. So it's important they make a good choice because they're going to be with that plan for at least the next year until the annual enrollment period comes around again. Well, I would encourage people first, look at your current plan and your coverage. Does that still fit? Because if it does and everything works well, then that's easy. But if you've had changes in your lifestyle or your health, that plan may no longer be the best plan for you. And in those instances, then I think it's time to look at options and see if enrolling in a different plan might be in your best interest. I would say great place to go, uhcmedicarehealthplans.com. A lot of just great general information there about Medicare and good place to look and compare plans and do some shopping.